Okay, we're gonna assemble a TVS Supercharger Snout. So I have a socket you can do like that to build it on, but I have something a little heavier, doesn't fall over. Got the inner bearing, got my shaft. Housing's all clean, ready. The outer bearing, pulley bearing. So I like to use the bearings that came out. I've sanded the OD so it won't stick in the housing. So I use those as my push tool, and I put a flat plate on it. So no matter if I'm pushing on the OD or pushing on the ID, I'm not loading through the balls on the bearing. I'm pushing straight through the races. Okay, so it's not seated all the way in, but the inner races are fully captured on the shaft. So I'll take it off the stand, put it in here, and now the bearings, the inner races are seated on the shaft. The outer races are, this outer race is pushed down. So it's ready for pulley. So I'm gonna put it back on my stand. And at this point, I would put a pulley up there. I'm not gonna put a pulley on this one yet because I'm not sure if this one's going out with a performance pulley, a grip tech pulley, or a stock pulley. So I would turn this on. Put a pulley up there, put a plate on it, and press it. And that would be it. TVS Snout assembled.